Hey guys, right off the bat, Reddit.com is one of the biggest social media and forums where people are interacting and discussing about various topics and the current issues and the problems they are encountering in many topics and fields. Therefore, we can take Reddit.com as a big source of ideas to create digital products to solve their challenges. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best combo of AI chat models to do that without going through Reddit.com manually. So now let's dive in. And first of all, here for you, Ready done for you prompt here like this one that enables you as a dedicated Reddit research analyst to go and dig deeper on Reddit.com and all these subreddits regarding a specific target audience and a specific niche to just give you and spit out different amazing reports and the best specific problem people are complaining in a given topic. For example, here you can go through any target audience like mothers, parents, fitness lovers, obesity people, diabetics, and much more. And here you can find based on different queries like I can't stand, I am struggling with, biggest struggle, hardest part, and so on and so forth, as you see. And just ask to just filter all these posts on these subreddits regarding the upvotes and comments, so we can focus only on the best subreddits of the high engagement with comments and actively discussing people around this specific problem or this issue. Here you can find number of upvotes, number of comments, and so on, as you see. Don't sweat it, I just leave this whole prompt down below in the first comment and description box. So the first step here, just you can copy this entire prompt. And now we can go together to this awesome website that is perplexity.ai. And for sure, perplexity.ai is amazing website to do deeper research about any topic, about any query. So here, just hit insert this whole prompt as it is. And of course, we can actually just change something like you wanna be relevant to a specific target audience. So for sure, I just go through busy moms. Okay, that is okay, busy mothers or busy moms as you want. Okay, perfect. That's it. And here just a little thing. Just you can go to this icon and just untoggle this web and just toggle on the social option. Okay, social, because we are referring to reddit.com in particular. Then go to go, and just in few seconds here you can find a big report here from perplexity.ai, as you see. Amazing table with these subreddits with member count, activity level, high engagement, rationale for activity level, recommendation, okay, and different data from these subreddits, parenting, toddlers, okay, as you want. And for sure, here you can find the most common complaints regarding busy moms, like for sleep, for the work and business, work and family balance, and so on and so forth. Perfect. Or this one. Okay. And for sure, you can find here down below this output the sources of this report. Like if you click over this one, you can find Reddit subreddits like moms who work, analyze the comments of this subreddit or this post, actually count, okay, as you see, and so on and so forth. Okay, perfect. So just can go to the next step here by copy this entire output, copy, and now we can go to this awesome website that is qwin.ai, and here ask this amazing chat model to give us beautiful ideas to create digital products regarding and based on this report, like this one. Based on this report, give me an amazing ideas, give me awesome ideas to make profitable digital items to solve these problems, to encounter these problems, and paste this report, and the result would be amazing, like this one. Here you can find some core problems identified from subreddits, like emotional burnout, work-life imbalance, postpartum fog and exhaustion, and need for quick, reliable systems, and so on. Then you can find these golden ideas of these digital items, starting with 5-minute mom reset toolkit, PDF and audio, working mom weekly planner, postpartum survival checklist bundle, no thinking meal snack rotation for busy moms, and much more of these amazing digital items to solve these problems busy moms are encountering in their real life. Okay, perfect. So now I can go to the second step here, just by creating these digital products to match these problems. So for example, I can take one of them, like this one, no thinking meal snack rotation for busy moms, and here you can find this brief description and in this and its content and angle to solve, like feed your family without planning daily. So I can take this entire idea, copy, and now we can go to the third website we are depending on in our this method, just by going to gemini.google and just insert this idea like this, and go tools and select canvas option, and here you can set it as pro, then click over this submit, and just in few seconds here you can find this amazing result like this one, no thinking meal snack rotation, the philosophy, the 10 pantry rows, like rice, tortillas, black beans, chicken, broth, stock, canned corn, and much more, and so on. And this rotation as it is: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the like. Perfect. The weekend, amazing. And this complete grocery list: pasta, salsa, corn, peanut butter, and so forth. Perfect. This amazing digital product, amazing to solve the problem people are facing based on their discussions on reddit.com and these specific subreddits with a highly engagement and recent posts that mean current issues for this specific target audience, and so on. It's an amazing idea how you can utilize AI power and these AI chat models to create your profitable business and your digital products to make money online, and for sure help this specific audience. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.